Hello everyone. Consider David, a project management office lead at a rapidly growing software company. David's team manages dozens of concurrent enterprise deployments. New project managers constantly ask where to find correct templates for risk registers, or how to follow the company's proprietary, highly specific agile methodology. To streamline this, David decides to build a PMO assistant Copilot agent. If David simply gives the agent instructions but no specialized data, it will provide generic project management advice pulled from its base training. David, however, needs it to guide employees using his company's exact templates and historical project data. This brings us to the technical mechanics of configuring agent knowledge. While writing clear instructions defines the agent's behavior, attaching specific files and sites dictates what the agent actually knows. In the Microsoft 365 environment, configuring knowledge is essentially creating a secure, highly restricted reading list for your AI. By purposefully attaching internal Microsoft SharePoint sites, specific Microsoft OneDrive folders, or individual files, you establish an authoritative foundation for the agent's data retrieval processes. This ensures the AI provides responses that are not just plausible, but firmly grounded in your organization's reality. When configuring a custom agent, you'll spend significant time in the Knowledge tab, the command center for data grounding. One primary method for supplying data is uploading individual static files. For example, David could upload a single PDF of the 2026 PMO Agile Handbook. This is useful for fixed reference material that rarely changes. However, in a dynamic business environment, static files quickly become outdated. If David updates the handbook locally next month, the agent will still reference the old uploaded version until he manually replaces it. The second, much more powerful method is linking dynamic Microsoft 365 locations, specifically SharePoint sites and OneDrive folders. When you attach a SharePoint site to an agent, you aren't just taking a snapshot of the files, you are creating a live, dynamic tether. If a project manager updates the master risk register template on the PMO SharePoint site on a Tuesday, the agent will instantly use that new version when answering questions on a Wednesday. The agent continuously indexes the site, ensuring its knowledge foundation is always perfectly synchronized with the organization's live data. For the AB-730 exam, understand that an agent's Knowledge tab is where you explicitly connect it to SharePoint sites to prevent hallucination. The exam heavily emphasizes the business value of these dynamic connections over static file uploads for ensuring data accuracy. Connecting these enterprise data sources is designed to be straightforward and secure for business users. You don't need complex API integrations. Within the Agent Builder, you simply paste the URL of the relevant SharePoint site or select the appropriate OneDrive folder, and the system handles the secure indexing automatically. This ease of use brings up a critical question regarding data security and responsible AI. If David links the entire PMO SharePoint site to the agent, could the agent accidentally reveal a confidential project budget file to a junior employee who shouldn't see it? The answer lies in the fundamental design of Microsoft 365 Copilot. When you attach files and sites, the agent strictly inherits and respects the existing Microsoft 365 permissions and access controls. The agent does not bypass security. It acts on behalf of the user asking the question. If a junior employee asks the PMO assistant for the budget file, the agent will cross-reference the employee's permissions. Because the employee does not have access to that file in SharePoint, the agent will politely decline to answer, acting as if the file does not exist. This concept is vital for the exam and for real-world deployment. Attaching a site to an agent's knowledge base only expands the agent's search radius. It never grants new permissions to the end user. By understanding how to strategically attach dynamic SharePoint sites while relying on robust Microsoft 365 permission structures, business professionals can build powerful, context-aware agents that are both highly useful and fundamentally secure. Now let's consider Liam, an IT manager at Northwind Traders, building an IT help desk assistant. He must first configure the agent's capabilities. For a tool handling internal IT queries, he would toggle web search off. This firmly restricts the agent's universe of knowledge exclusively to the internal documents he provided during the grounding phase, ensuring absolute predictability and adherence to corporate IT standards. Capabilities might also include enabling specific Microsoft 365 plugins, allowing the agent to look up calendar availability or fetch details from an integrated project management app.